Hey guys, it's Random Boy here, and today we are doing the new chapter that's just come out today, Techneurosis. Again, don't know if I've said that right. But either way, not sure what really to call this. It's just doing the level really. It isn't so much of a UBERFEST because I'm using 4 Ubers instead of like 5. Well, I guess I can call this an UBERFEST or not, or whatever. But either way, I'm gonna try and complete it. I've already completed this once, but it was very close. So hopefully I'll be able to do it again. And yeah, let's get into it. Just turn the volume on and I'll leave you to the game. Oh, waitress. What absolutely one shot in the metal hippo. Wow, he never stood a chance. Waitress cat is OP, am I right? But either way, I just want to say it might be a little bit of lag. Sorry about that. It's just not really the bone. But either way, hopefully we can complete this level. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this level is pretty easy. I mean, for me, the metal cyclone isn't really a problem. It's only the level after this, because once you complete this level, you get the option to go into a different level, which has the alien cyclone and also like the alien director. I can't remember what it's called, but you'll be able to see in a bit. As you can see, pretty much owning this. Like, the boss is getting nowhere. Which cat attacking? Boom. It's pretty much always knockbacks. It's so OP. And hopefully it's almost dead. I'm not sure. One of the waitress cat hit. There we go. And I think this is the last knockback. Hopefully it is. Anyway. Wow, can't deploy anymore. Seriously. Is that it? No, not yet. It's almost there though. Should be anyway. Oh, hey, there we go, it's done. Now, let's go on to the next level after I kill the base. Eventually. So yeah, just checking if it was still recording, alright. Come on. Almost done. There we go, now it should say to move on to the next level. Right, yeah, there we go. Space is the place. Insane level, which, to be honest, I'm not sure if it should be insane or deadly, but either way, there's no continues on this, and it should be an alien cyclone when you attack the base. It spawns out. So yeah, I guess I'll leave it on until I need to talk to you again. So yeah. I'm just building up all my efficiency really until I get all my Uber Super Rares out, and yeah, hopefully I'll be able to complete this level. So I'm gonna wait until max money and then spawn up. So I'm out Megaphrodite, and then yeah, the others. Yeah. Alright, first Uber spawn out. Just wait until thingy kills the rest. Just start stalling now. And should be dead soon anyway. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, it's gonna start lagging quite a bit now. So sorry about that. Either way, this may take a while. Oh god, thingy's gonna attack the base straight away. Wow. No. Alright, yeah, as you can see there, it's the thingy in a chair and the alien cyclone. And yeah, hopefully I'll be able to do it. Who knows? I'll just turn the volume up now. Alright, the thingy's dead now. All we got left is a cyclone. Oh god, cyclone's pushing forward now. OP Miko Mitama just constantly slowing it down. It's very OP. Oh, should be the last knockback now. Hopefully, anyway. Oh no, I'm pretty sure it's got 2 more, because it should get the damage buff on its last knockback, I believe, if not the second last knockback. Oh, never mind, there it is. And then it just instantly gets weakened. And yeah, that's also one of the reasons why I brought the Catchy in, because, you know, just to cancel out the damage buff. So I should be able to do this quite easily now. And yeah. Any time now. Should die. Hopefully. Yeah. Oh yeah. While I'm here, I may as well just say it. Thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers. I'm not sure if we're doing a subscriber special yet. We haven't really decided. If we are, it's probably just going to be a Q&A. But who knows what it is. We haven't really decided anything yet. But either way, we've completed the cyclone, and I don't believe there's any other levels after this. And I've already got the main treasure for this. The epic cat fruit isn't really the best like treasure in my opinion. Pretty sure you get a cat CPU every other time you do it, but I'm not fully sure. But either way, that's level on this UBERFEST, I guess. So, anyway, yeah, it's quite laggy. That's so cool attack from a Gaffordite there. Just a little longer. So yeah, I just mentioning there might be depending on what I get, a rare cat catcher opening, either coming or probably tomorrow, if not the day after tomorrow. That's if I get something good, because I will be farming cat tickets. And so yeah, if I get something good, I'll do a video. I will post a video on it. If I don't, then obviously I won't. But either way, yeah, cat CPU, it's not a very good treasure, so you probably want to do it once, and that's pretty much it. You don't even get 30 cat food from it. Well, you get 30 cat food from the first level, but you don't get 30 cat food from the second level. So anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.